Hello to the beautiful people. So in this video we're going to talk about how to extend an existing JavaScript array with another array without creating a new array. Alright, so for that first of all we have to create the two array. Alright, I just copy this, paste it here, change the values. Alright, so we have the two arrays now. So now we're going to learn to extend the existing array. I will try to extend the array 1 with the array 2 without creating a new array. So how can we do that? We will simply use the array 1 dot push and we will use the spread operator. That's it. Alright, so give it a console log for the push, give it the console log after the push. Alright, so this is it. Okay, so let's just run this. Okay, as we can see here we have the two outputs, two console log outputs. So in the first one we have the array 1 and in the second one we have the array 1 and we have also extended the array 1 with another array with the array 2 without creating a new array. So this is how we can extend the existing array, and this is all for this video. If you really find this useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and bye bye.